In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all files in Google Drive at once. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to start fresh or clear up some space in your account. Now, let's get started on this straightforward process. First, you'll need to open a web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, make sure to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once signed in, you'll see a list of all your files and folders stored in Google Drive. This web interface is your primary tool for managing these files, and today, it's going to help us clear everything out efficiently. Now, to select all the files and folders on your Google Drive at once, press Ctrl A if you're using a Windows computer. However, if you're on a Mac, you'll want to press Command A instead. You'll notice that all the items on your screen are highlighted, indicating that they're ready for any action you wish to apply. This is a handy shortcut when you have numerous files and don't want to go through the tedious process of selecting them one by one. Next, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the familiar trash can icon. This icon represents the Move to Trash function. Once your files and folders are selected, go ahead and click this icon. This step will move all your selected files into the trash, temporarily removing them from your main drive space. It's important to remember that at this stage, while the files are no longer visible on your main screen, they haven't been permanently deleted just yet. They're simply relocated to a different part of your Google Drive. Lastly, to complete the process and free up space permanently, you'll need to visit the trash folder. You can locate this on the left-hand side of your screen. It's an option in the main menu. Once in the trash, you'll see all the files and folders you've just moved there. Finally, click on Empty Trash to permanently delete these files. A quick note of caution: once you perform this action, you won't be able to recover these files. So, ensure that you really want to delete everything permanently before you proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted all your Google Drive files in one go. This method keeps things simple and efficient, especially if you've decided to do a bit of digital decluttering. Whether you're freeing up space or just want a clean slate, this process will help you manage your cloud storage effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tips and tricks for better digital organization.